guys, welcome to my channel. If you clicked on this video, I'm going to show you how I applied my wig using the Boldhold Lace tape and just really show you how to get this flawless finish. I don't show you this makeup look in this video, but if you guys would like to see it, definitely drop a comment below and let me know. But honey, this hair, yes. You want to see how I got this hair laid? Keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe, sis. Subscribe. Thanks. So, hey guys, I know I'm looking like Professor X, but there's a reason for this. I made myself a new wig, girl. This is some inches right here. I can't even hold the whole thing in there and get all the inches. So I'm gonna give y'all the deets on this hair. There is an initial review video on this hair, so check it out, and I will kind of tell you guys, I guess, as I'm doing this, what I think about the hair. But I'm just thirsty to get it on, girl, because I've been looking like Mother May I all week. But anyway, the deets on this hair, it's a 20-inch frontal, 2 24s and 2 26s. So honey, we is full. You ain't gonna be able to see through this hair. No thin weaves, okay? All right. So I already have a stocking cap molded down on my head with some Got To Be Glue freeze spray. Get some of that if you don't got it. And I'm just gonna I haven't cut the lace just yet because I wanted to show you guys pretty much where it sits, and I'm glad I marked it before I took it off, because now I know what the center of the wig is. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can kind of see where I marked. Okay, all right. So I'm only this close because I wanted you guys to see where I marked, and as you guys can probably see, y'all can see those little black dots. I've tried to bleach this frontal and it would not bleach, and I used 40 volume developer. It was really sad, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna go, and I've already marked on the side where I need to cut my ear flaps. But yeah, it's made and it's ready to be put on. Okay, it's ready to be put on. I'm gonna cut the lace off of camera. I will say that I do leave a little bit of lace in front of my hairline just because it gives you a little something to work with. And if your frontal, which I don't really trust this frontal too much, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it just helps you not pull out the hair in the frontal that makes you have a bald hairline, because you're putting so much stress on those baby hairs when you're putting it on and glue and all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this off camera, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and show you guys how I apply this using Boldhold Lace tape. I'm not using any adhesive today. I wanted to give their lace tape a try, and I've watched a few tutorials, so I think I got it down, and I think I know how to put this on right. So let me cut this lace. I'm gonna come back on and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna apply the tape and how I'm gonna clean my hairline to apply the wig. Okay guys, I'm back. So you should use 91% alcohol to clean your hairline before applying any adhesive for the best hold. But seeing as I found these alcohol pads, which I find are way less mess and way easier, they're only 70% alcohol, so I'm going against my own word, but I just don't feel like, I feel like it's a whole thing for me to find a cotton ball and all of that. So I'm just going to use these to clean my hairline of any excess oils, which there was a bunch, you know, makeup and stuff. I'm gonna do this twice so I make sure I get everything. Okay, so I've prepped my hairline with the alcohol pads. One tip I do want to let you guys know is if you do this method, make sure you get some foundation. Powder foundation works best, or you can use liquid because liquid is probably closer to your skin. To put on your cap so that the cap does not show through the wig. And if you have little flaps that stick up, just take a little bit of Got2b glue gel and press it down, and it'll smooth down all of those little curl ups on the wig. I know, it's annoying. Alright guys, so I'm using the Boldhold Lace tape, and I watched her tutorial on how to use this tape. As you guys can see, I've already kind of marked with a pencil where I need my lace to lay, and I pulled my lace back just a little bit so that I can lay the tape. Her instructions on how to apply this tape correctly is to cut it this way. So once you cut it, I'm not going to cut this because I've already cut tabs. Your tab should look like this. It should look like this with the silver part on the side. So once you peel that silver part off, it should come out very easily. It looked like on her, when she did it, like she, one second. Ooh, okay, I'm not gonna be able to do that. She like almost like stretched it out a little bit. So I'm gonna try to do that. And make sure you don't have any hair down during this part. And she set hers kind of like on top of the cap. I really don't prefer to do that, but I did that a little bit here. Because whatever you have in the front like that flaps up, you can put down with like some Got2b glue. And I always suggest kind of bending it beforehand. So she also said to apply pressure to the tape before removing the white parts. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just really pressing down on the tape, making sure we got a good stick, because I would like to wear this if I can for at least a week, which is a long time for me because I change my hair like very often. I don't wear anything for a very long time. So before I move the flaps of this, I'm just gonna pull forward my wig just to make sure it's hitting where I want it to, and remove any hairs that may have gotten into the tape.
Seems like she did it again. You really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. For me to satisfy.
Everything is looking like it should fall where I want it to. So just gonna pull it back just a little bit. And we are going to remove this tape.
Seems like she did it again.
Okay guys, so I've tied down my hair, and I didn't show me putting the got to be glued down on like the parts that were like flapping up a little bit, but I just took a little bit of got to be glued on the back of my hand with the edge of a ragtail comb and just kind of slid it under there. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just tying it down just to make sure that it is secure as possible, because I do not want my wig to come up. I want it to be down and secure for at least a week. And I'm about to be going to the gym, so I need her to be secured. Okay, I need the wig secured is what I need. So after I take it down, I will show you guys how to lay the baby hairs, but I'm just gonna tie this down for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna lay my baby hairs, show you guys how to lay my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys with a beat face, and that's gonna be it. But wow, this is a lot of hair. It's so long. All right, until I lay these babies, I'll be back. All right, so if you are here, that means you've made it to the end of this video. And guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video if you thought it was helpful. Let me know what I can improve on and what you'd like to see more of on this channel, and I'd be glad, happy to do it. But my thoughts on this hair, okay, the frontal, I still think the frontal is trash. Even though I haven't worn it that long, I will do a follow-up video and let you guys know. But I still don't really care for this frontal because I know that it's gonna shed, but I've been gentle with it. But just overall, like this wig, how I'm feeling about the hair, sis, I am in love. I am in love. Do you understand how much hair this is? 4 bundles, 226s, 224s. Oh God, it's just so much hair. And I'm 5'7", so that lets you know how much hair this is. Like, it's just so much. I'm wondering what I'm gonna do when it's time to go work out. I think I'm gonna just put it in my bonnet and go about my life. But this hair is just so beautiful, and I haven't put anything on it. There's no water on it. There's no gel on it. This is just the hair in its natural state. Obviously the curls have been pulled out because I undid the bundles, but yeah. Oh, look at the highlights. Anyway, bye y'all. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.